Welcome! You're going to participate in a web conference with the University of Valencia. Adobe Connect works on laptop or desktop computers with a variety of operating systems: Windows, MacOS, Linux, and browsers, Internet Explorer, Firefox, Safari, etc., providing they have the latest version of Flash Player installed. A webcam with a microphone is all you need to be able to transmit audio and video to the other participants. It is recommended that the participants use headsets instead of speakers during the sessions, so that echo or noises are avoided. Headsets with a built-in microphone are easier to use. You can check if your computer is prepared to work with Adobe Connect using the following link. It is also possible to enter a virtual room from mobile devices, Blackberries and smartphones with Android or iOS systems, iPhone, iPad, tablets, etc. If this is the case, you may install the Connect mobile application in your device. You have likely received an email invitation with meeting access information. When the meeting time arrives, click on the link or enter the URL into your web browser. The meeting login screen appears. If you do not have a username or a password for the Adobe Connect account, choose Enter as a guest, type in your first and last name and click Enter Room. The meeting launches in your browser. If the meeting host has not yet arrived to the meeting, or meeting security requires the host to approve your attendance, you will be placed in a waiting room. Once the meeting host accepts you into the meeting room interface appears. The meeting host may ask you to use your webcam to share a video. When this is the case, a button enabling you to share your webcam will appear on the video port. To share your camera, make sure your webcam is plugged in and click the Share My Webcam button. Adobe Flash may prompt you for permission. Clicking the Speak Now link will activate the microphone icon in the application bar at the top of your screen. To send a message to everyone, simply type your message in the chat pod and hit Enter or click the Send icon. If the meeting host has enabled private chat, you can send messages to a specific attendee or group within the meeting. Thank you for your attention. For any question, contact with the organizer of the room.